sewer entity. He's not a jinn. He doesn't act like a jinn, and he put a baby jinn in his mouth in one of his pictures. That shows how much he cares about the babies. So he's not a real moon. I guess I must have bashed him out of the house. He never makes a crater, because he's not a real moon. A real moon makes a crater. See, no craters. Barely doing nothing to it. Why does he keep splitting in half? Because he's an ugly man. He's a sewer entity. He hates jinn babies. He don't like jinn babies. Right? You don't like jinn babies. Because you had it in your mouth. In your other picture. How come? How come you had it in your mouth? You don't talk much anymore? I still have another video of you yapping away. Yapping away. And I stored that in another storage. See, he's yapping away now. He yaps away. He usually looks like a banana. He doesn't show his crater at all. I never seen a moon do that, have you? I never seen a moon